Here we start with a running self-managed Ververica Platform cluster, but need to enable audit logs so we can track exactly who and what changes are made to our cluster. Let's hop into Kubernetes and take a look at how we can enable audit logs and automatically export them to a Kafka topic. To enable audit logs, we add an API gateway section to the values.yaml file of Ververica Platform. FluentBit is also enabled to move the logs from local storage of our pod to a Kafka topic. We apply these changes with Helm upgrade and see the API gateway pod automatically restart. In addition to the API gateway pod restarting, the number of containers increases from 1 to 2 to include the FluentBit sidecar responsible for publishing the audit log messages to our Kafka cluster. Once we confirm both containers are up and running, we manually edit the FluentBit config map to include the necessary security settings of our Kafka cluster. After saving our changes, we force an API gateway pod restart and head over to our Ververica Platform UI. As an example, we create a new session cluster and want to see the audited action visible as a message in our Kafka topic. After creating our session cluster, we head on over to our stream-native Kafka cluster and view the audit logs topic. And sure enough, the action of creating the session cluster and corresponding user are visible in the message. For the complete list of auditable actions, please view the detailed Ververica audit logs documentation.